Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually doing a challenge. I think this is a challenge, the Instagram Picks My Makeup Challenge. So yesterday, over 24 hours ago, I put up a bunch of makeup for you guys to vote on, and you voted, and I haven't looked at it, and I'm so excited to see what you pick. Getting ready to look at it. I'll put screenshots up here of everything so that you guys can see. So I'm gonna go with the primer. We have the E11 Poreless Putty Primer and the Formula 10.0.6, something like that, the Thirst No More Primer. Oh, and you guys picked the Thirst No More Primer. Okay, cool, I do love that. So this is the primer I'm gonna be using today. I do love this primer. It's very cooling and just nice on the skin, also very moisturizing. Alright, I am all moisturized and red. Now it is time for the foundation. This one was between the Estee Lauder Double Wear and the Lock Color Good Foundation. So I went full coverage and light coverage. Oh wow, okay, so 75% said Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder it is. This is my foundation today. In case you guys didn't know, this is my favorite foundation. I do like this foundation a lot though. It is a matte foundation, but it's just not too matte on me. So I like it a ton. I honestly think it actually gives off quite a dewy finish. I've got some dry patches happening around my nose. I'm not 100% sure why. I don't like it. So I'm a little nervous about what you guys picked for the concealer. So for concealer, I went with both ELF Camo concealers, but I went hydrating and matte. And 52% of you said matte. Wow, thanks guys. I haven't used the original Camo concealer since I got my new hydrating one. I got too light of a shade. So it honestly just looks kind of like white out on my face, and I'm not the biggest fan of that. And it's just a little too matte for me. Since I got the hydrating one, I've just really been enjoying the hydrating one. Okay, now I'm looking like a matte mess is what I'm looking like now. Wow, thanks guys. Now for powder, I went with a loose powder or a pressed powder, and I have not used a pressed powder in a really long time, so I'm really hoping you guys pick the loose powder because like I don't even know what to do with a pressed powder anymore. Okay, good. 75% of you said loose powder. So I'm going to be using Airspun translucent loose powder, which is my absolute favorite, and it's only like $6 and you get a ton of product. So I don't really think you guys need to see me powder my face, so I'll be right back. Pardon the super bad brows. I don't want to talk about it. You guys did not choose my brows because I only have like 2 brow products that actually like fit with my hair anymore. And it just wouldn't be very fun. One's a pomade, one's a powder, but like I used both of them, so it just didn't really matter to me to be picked. So next we're gonna go with bronzer, and I'm excited. This is between the Kiko Milano Natural Sienna bronzer and the Bahama Mama bronzer, which I never wear the Bahama Mama bronzer because it's matte and I don't like it. Oh, thank goodness. 74% of you said the Kiko Milano. Thank goodness. So today I'm gonna be using my Kiko Milano, which is one of my favorite bronzers. Thank you, Soph Does Nails, or Soph Does Life now. Thank you for introducing me to this bronzer. She has hers in Warm Honey. They were sold out of Warm Honey, so I got Natural Sienna, but I love it just as much. I think it's just a slightly darker version of it, but it's still like the same bronzer, so. Okay, thank you guys for picking one of my favorite bronzers. I look much more bronzed now and a little bit crazy, but it'll look better once I get the blush. Now with the blushes, I went with my NARS blush in Sex Appeal and my Milani Baked blush in Luminoso. So the NARS blush almost shows nothing on your skin, and the Milani one is awesome. So let's see what you guys said. 79% of you said the Milani. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm very excited. So far, you guys make me very happy. I'm going to use my Milani Baked Bronzer in Luminoso. It is pretty much a cult classic blush. It's a nice peachy sheen with a little bit of gold. I just love it. It's beautiful on the skin. And I'm glad to be adding a little bit of shine. That is great. I know that people think I look absolutely crazy with my blush, but like, one, it doesn't look as crazy in person, and two, I like a strong blush. Alright, highlighter. Highlighter I'm a little bit nervous about as well because the options are Ofra Moondance, which is one of my favorite highlighters, and then the ELF White Gold highlighter, which in the little palette is amazing, but single is terrible and I can't get any pigment to come off on it at all. So we'll see. 80% of you, that is the biggest number so far. 80% of you said the Ofra highlight. Thank goodness. So for those of you that don't even know about Ofra highlights, they are just some of the most amazing and buttery highlights you will ever try in your life. You have not lived if you have not tested Ofra's highlights. Recently I've been adding this little bit up here of highlighter to like the bridge of my nose right there, and I don't know if that's something people normally do. I thought people highlighted like down their nose, but lately I'm noticing a lot of people putting it like right up here. Now I guess for eyeshadow I'm a little bit concerned because I wanted to check eyeshadow first, but I was like, no, it's kind of cheating. Kind of the fun of this is if you guys chose the colorful palette, it'll be a bit of a challenge to not get all over my face, and if you guys chose the neutral palette, then you know that would be okay too. So the options for this are the Tartelette in Bloom palette for the neutral and the Revolution Marvelous Mattes for the colorful. Nervous to see what you guys said. Oh wow, okay, I'm a little bit taken by surprise. You guys actually chose the neutral palette, and I have not worn my Tartelette in Bloom palette in so long. When my boyfriend and I actually like first started dating, this is what I wore every time we went out on a date. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna like fast forward through me doing this so you guys can just watch me. No idea what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna figure something out. Alright, so the neutral eye look is done. I did add a little bit of Smarty Pants, this like, I don't know, warm neutral shade. I just added that to my lower lash line so there was a little bit of something. I realized I forgot my lower lash line. Now I'm going to put on some highlighter. Next we have eyeliner. I'm a little nervous. Between these two we have Scone Cosmetics Insanely Intense Tattooed Eyeliner, which has become one of my favorite eyeliners ever. It is so matte black and beautiful and I love it. Or we have the ColourPop BFF liquid liner, which I want to get along with so bad, but I do not get on with it because it just is so hard to work with for me. So let's see what you guys voted. Oh guys, 79% of you said ColourPop. Why? Oh, okay. I love ColourPop, I do, but I cannot get on with this eyeliner, like, at all. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. I just have too shaky of a hand for this eyeliner. I just cannot get on this eyeliner because that's not gonna come off. I'm going to stay zoomed in for the next part. It is mascara. So for mascara, it was between the Tarte Man-Eater mascara or the Revolution Blowout mascara, which I love the Revolution one. Not a big fan of the Man-Eater one. 67% said Man-Eater. You guys really want my eyelashes to look like poo. Okay. This is not gonna be good. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes because I always curl my lashes, so. Going in with my Man-Eater, which has like barely ever been used. Because I hate this. I hate it. Ugh. I'm getting nothing. Wow, you guys made me use 2 Tarte products in one day. I rarely ever use 1 Tarte product. Alright, now on to, I'm going to do setting spray. I should have done that before my mascara, but I wasn't thinking. So for setting spray, we've got the ELF Dewy Mist setting spray or the Believe Beauty, not really sure what it's called, Makeup Perfecting setting spray. Oh wow, okay, you guys actually went Believe Beauty. I'm a little bit shocked. So we're gonna use the Believe Beauty Makeup Perfecting setting spray. I don't hate this, I just don't use it very often. That's why I put it in there. It does have a very nice mist, I'm not gonna lie. I just don't really find that it really does anything. It doesn't make me look dewier. I've never really noticed it do anything different. So, okay, I had to move my camera and it's like doing weird stuff. So anyway. So now for lipstick. So I put a berry and a nude. I never wear berry colored lipsticks. I hate berry colored lipsticks. I will almost never wear them unless it's absolutely necessary. I am not a fan of berry. The thing is that I used to love wearing berry lipsticks and that's like all I had. It's all my collection was for such a long time. But now I prefer nudes. So we've got the Ipsy Betty Boop lipstick, which is like a berry, not a red, which I thought was weird. And we've got the NYX Suede lipstick, which I love, in Dainty Days. Love that lipstick. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. You guys chose the NYX lipstick. Oh my gosh, thank you. I love you. You guys are about to see how much I love this lipstick. Look at this. This thing is almost like, look at that. This is probably the lipstick I've used the absolute most. I've actually made a dent in it, which is crazy because I have so many lipsticks, but I've made a dent in this one because I love it, so. I'm sorry, you guys couldn't see any of that. I'm so sorry. These lipsticks are just some of the creamiest lipsticks in the world. And they're not quite a matte, especially if, like, I had a gloss on underneath that I took off. If I didn't have that, this would be like way more matte. Okay guys, yeah, so a little close up. If you guys can see, the only problem we've had is this little separation right there on my nose. Other than that, I am very happy with what you guys chose. You guys chose pretty much how I would choose. There are a few things I would not have chose, but it turned out okay. The look looks good. Overall, thank you. Yes, I think this went very well. If you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below if you would like to see more Instagram pics of my makeup, or even if you'd like to see like Twitter pics of my makeup or Facebook pics of my makeup, because those are like all my friends, so like that'd be interesting. I'm really happy with this makeup look. I quite enjoy it. The mascara could be better for sure. It looks awful. I hate this mascara. The eyeliner could be better. Not a fan of the eyeliner. This chip on my nose that happened because of the concealer, not liking the foundation, could be better. My camera's about to die. I post videos every Saturday. I will see you guys next Saturday, and thanks for making my makeup. Bye!